Stop making expensive gifts when you can make something way more special with just a hook, some yarn, and about an hour of your time. Here's the thing, people think crochet gifts have to be big to mean something, like you have to spend weeks on a blanket or a full sweater to show someone you care, but that's not true at all. Some of the most loved gifts I've ever made were tiny, a little keychain, a small pouch, a mini stuffed animal the size of your palm, and the people who got them, they lost their minds over it. So today, I'm gonna walk you through some of the best small crochet gift ideas that are actually easy to make, don't take forever, and look so good that people will think you spent way more time on them than you did. Whether you're making gifts for the holidays, a birthday, or just because you want to give someone something sweet, these ideas are gonna save you so much stress. Let's start with one of my all-time favorites, the crochet keychain. This one is perfect because it's small, it's quick, and literally everyone uses keys. You can make a little round ball, a tiny heart, a mini food item like a strawberry or a lemon, or even a simple initial letter. The whole thing usually takes under an hour, sometimes even less if you're already comfortable with basic stitches. You just need a small amount of yarn, like we're talking scraps here, a bit of stuffing, a keychain ring, and you're good to go. The magic of this gift is that it's personal. You can pick the person's favorite color, their favorite food shape, something that means something to them. That's what makes a small gift feel huge. Next up, coin pouches and mini bags. These are a little more useful than keychains, and they still don't take long to make. A small crochet coin pouch with a zipper or a button closure is one of those gifts that people actually use every day. You can toss one in a gift bag alongside something else, or just give it on its own. The beauty of these is that you can make them in any color combination, you can add a little flower or a button on the outside to make it look cute, and the whole thing is usually done in a single sitting. If you know someone who carries a lot of loose change or someone who keeps earrings or little things in their bag, this is the perfect gift for them. And because it's functional, they're going to think about you every single time they use it. Now let's talk about something that has been blowing up everywhere, crochet bookmarks. Okay, I know what you're thinking, a bookmark, really? But hear me out. These are adorable, they're genuinely useful, and you can make one in like 20 to 30 minutes. The most popular style right now is the corner bookmark, the kind that sits on the corner of your page and has a little character or shape on it. You can make a cat, a ghost, a heart, a flower, a leaf, literally anything you can imagine. And for people who read a lot, this kind of gift hits different because it's something they'll use in the middle of their favorite thing. Every time they open their book, there it is. That's a really sweet feeling to give someone. Moving on, crochet scrunchies. If you've never made one of these, you are missing out. They are so fast to make, they use barely any yarn, and they look really cute and handmade in the best way. You basically just crochet around a regular hair tie, and the result is this soft, chunky, textured scrunchie that people go crazy over. You can make a set of 3 or 4 in different colors and tie them together with a ribbon, and suddenly you have this really put-together gift that looks like you bought it from a small boutique. Great for teenagers, great for anyone who wears their hair up, and honestly, great for yourself too. These are so quick, you'll end up making a bunch. Let's not forget lip balm holders. Yes, this is a real thing, and yes, it's genius. You just make a small tube-shaped piece that fits around a standard lip balm, attach a little clip or a keychain ring, and you've got this adorable little accessory that keeps lip balm from getting lost in a bag. It sounds so simple, but it's one of those gifts where people genuinely go, I didn't know I needed this. It's practical, it's cute, and it's the kind of thing people show their friends. That's the best kind of gift. Now, here's a slightly bigger project, but still very much in the small category, mini amigurumi. These are tiny stuffed animals or characters made with crochet, and they are one of the most impressive looking gifts you can make for how little time they actually take. A little bear, a bunny, a little ghost, a tiny cat, these things are maybe 3 to 4 inches tall, and they take a few hours at most if you already know basic crochet skills. The reactions you get when you give someone a little handmade stuffed animal are unreal. Adults love them just as much as kids do. There's something about something that small and detailed being made by hand that just makes people emotional in a good way. And then there are plant pot covers. If you know someone who has little succulents or small plants on their desk or windowsill, this is the gift for them. You make a simple little cup shape, basically a small cylinder that fits around a tiny plant pot, and it instantly makes the plant look so much cuter. These are great because they're decorative, they're useful, and plants are everywhere right now. People are obsessed with their plants. Give someone a cute little crochet cover for their favorite succulent, and you're basically giving them a reason to love their plant even more. Here's what all of these gifts have in common. They're made with your hands. They're made with time that you chose to give, and that's something you can't buy in a store. When someone gets a handmade gift, especially one that's this cute and this well made, they know someone was sitting there thinking about them while they made it. That's what makes crochet gifts different from anything else. And the best part about starting small is that you actually can finish. You don't have to worry about running out of time or burning out halfway through a huge project. You pick one of these, you sit down, you put on your favorite show, and by the time the episode is over, you have a gift ready to go. That's a really good feeling. So if you've been wanting to give handmade gifts but felt like you didn't have enough time or skill, start here. Start small. These projects are the perfect place to begin, and I promise you the people in your life are going to love every single one of them. If this helped you, subscribe so you don't miss the next one.